Tired of washing your car with a regular sponge and bucket? What if I told you there's a way to cover your entire vehicle in thick, luxurious foam that clings to every surface, loosening dirt and grime before you even touch it? That's the magic of a foam cannon. I've tested dozens of foam cannons to find the ones that actually work. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 best foam cannons for pressure washers that'll transform your car washing game. Check the links in the description box to grab yours today. Let's get into it. Number 1. McKillans Foam Cannon. Let's kick things off with the McKillans Foam Cannon, and honestly, this one takes the top spot for good reason. Right out of the box, you'll notice the wide mouth design. I can't stress enough how much of a game changer this is. If you've ever tried filling a foam cannon with a narrow opening, you know the frustration of spilling soap everywhere. With McKillans, you just pour it in. No funnel needed, no mess. The build quality is impressive. It's got a heavy-duty brass core that feels solid in your hand, and the materials are rust-resistant, so you don't have to worry about it corroding after a few washes. The dual adjustment system gives you complete control. The top knob lets you dial in exactly how thick you want your foam, from light and airy to shaving cream consistency. The bottom adjustment controls your spray pattern, so you can go from a tight stream to a wide fan. What really sets this apart is the foam quality. It produces that thick, clingy snow foam that professional detailers use. The foam actually sticks to your car's surface instead of just sliding off, which means it has more time to work on breaking down dirt and contaminants. I've used this on everything from daily drivers covered in road grime to show cars that need gentle cleaning, and it handles both beautifully. Now here's something to keep in mind. While the wide mouth is fantastic for filling, the bottle capacity isn't the largest on this list. If you're planning to foam multiple vehicles in one session, you might need to refill it. But honestly, for most people washing 1 or 2 cars, it's more than enough. Coming in at number 2, we've got the Chemical Guy's Big Mouth Foam Cannon. Car and Driver actually named this best overall, and after using it extensively, I understand why. The name Big Mouth isn't just marketing, it has a genuine 2-inch opening that makes filling this cannon completely effortless. The max release technology is where this really shines. Chemical Guys engineered an adjustable air injection system that creates foam so thick it looks like shaving cream. I'm talking about foam that doesn't just cover your car, but literally blankets it in a layer of protection. The 34-ounce bottle gives you plenty of capacity for washing multiple vehicles or tackling larger surfaces like boats and RVs. What I love about this cannon is the versatility. It's not just for cars. I've used it on my home's vinyl siding, my deck, even my outdoor furniture. The fully adjustable nozzle lets you switch from a concentrated jet for tough spots to a wide fan pattern for broad coverage. The pressure range is impressive too, working from as low as 800 psi up to 3,500 psi. That lower threshold means even if you've got a less powerful pressure washer, you'll still get great results. Just make sure you've got at least 1.4 gallons per minute flow rate for optimal performance. One thing to consider. This is one of the pricier options on the list, coming in around $100. If you're on a tight budget, that might give you pause. But here's my take. You're paying for Chemical Guy's reputation, superior engineering, and a cannon that'll last for years. For serious car enthusiasts and detailers, it's worth every penny. At number 3, we've got something different, the TOOLCY Foam Cannon kit. This isn't just a foam cannon, it's a complete pressure washing system. If you're just getting into pressure washing or need to replace worn-out components, this kit gives you incredible value. The heavy-duty 5,000 psi pressure washer gun with an ergonomic grip and safety lock, the foam cannon with a 1-liter bottle, and 5 different nozzle tips with spray angles ranging from 0 to 65 degrees. That means you've got everything you need for any cleaning task, not just foam washing your car. The industrial construction is immediately apparent. This isn't some flimsy plastic setup. It's built with materials designed for professional use. The 1/4-inch quick connector makes setup breeze, and the quick release system means you can swap between the foam cannon and regular nozzles in seconds. The foam cannon portion features graduated measurement markings on the bottle, which is actually really helpful for getting your soap-to-water ratio consistent every time. The adjustable controls work smoothly. The top dial manages foam density, and the nozzle controls your spray pattern. What makes this kit special is the versatility. Beyond car washing, those 5 nozzle tips mean you can tackle driveways, patios, siding, basically any outdoor cleaning project. The 0-degree nozzle is perfect for blasting away tough grime, while the 40 and 65-degree tips are gentler for more delicate surfaces. The potential downside? Because you're getting an entire kit, the individual components might not be quite as premium as standalone units that cost the same. The foam cannon works great, but foam quality enthusiasts might notice it's not quite as thick as the McKillans or chemical guys.
Number 4. Adams Polish's Premium Foam Cannon. The first thing you'll appreciate is the extra wide mouth opening. Adams designed this to be the easiest foam cannon to fill, period. No spills, no fighting with a funnel, just pour and go. The 35-ounce capacity is the largest on this list, which means fewer refills when you're in the middle of a detailing session. The wide base design is genius. I've knocked over foam cannons before, and it's frustrating watching your perfectly mixed soap solution pour out onto the driveway. With Adams' wide base, this thing stays put. You can set it down without worry, even on slightly uneven surfaces. The dual threading system is a feature most people overlook, but is actually super convenient. It works with the included 35-ounce canister, but it also fits Adams' 16-ounce bottles. So, if you want to use their car wash soap directly, or try different products without mixing a full batch, you can just screw the smaller bottle right on. The 360-degree fan adjustment means you can spray vertically or horizontally, which is perfect for getting under wheel wells and other tricky spots. One consideration: Adams is a premium brand, and you're paying for that. It's not the most expensive on this list, but it's definitely not the cheapest either. If you're brand loyal or want the peace of mind that comes with a trusted name in detailing, it's absolutely worth it. Plus, it's made in the USA, which matters to some buyers. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the TriNova Foam Cannon. TriNova really nailed the engineering on this one, focusing on stability and durability. That wide neck design makes filling this cannon incredibly easy. No more struggling with small openings or cleaning up spilled soap. The wide base gives you exceptional stability. This thing won't tip over while you're working, and it stays put when you set it down between passes. The heavy-duty construction is built for the long haul. Premium brass fittings resist corrosion, even if you're washing cars in all weather conditions. The adjustable foam density control on top lets you go from light foam for a quick rinse to ultra-thick foam for serious cleaning power. The bottom nozzle adjusts your spray pattern from a narrow, concentrated jet for spot cleaning to a wide fan for broad coverage. Professional detailers and car enthusiasts consistently rate this highly on Amazon. The foam it produces is thick and luxurious, clinging to your vehicle's surface to maximize dwell time and cleaning effectiveness. The generous bottle capacity means you're not constantly stopping to refill. Here's what to consider. While TriNova makes a solid foam cannon, their brand recognition isn't quite at the level of chemical guys or Adams polishes. For some buyers, having that big name backing provides confidence. That said, the product performance speaks for itself, and if you're more concerned with results than brand names, you'll be very happy with this choice. Let's dive into the links in the description box where you'll find current pricing and availability for each of these foam cannons. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.